So guys, now we have to start. So press Ctrl plus tilde, okay, to start the terminal. And now let's create a table. So php artisan make colon migration, where I'm going to create underscore products underscore table, right? So hit enter and the migration table created. So let's go to our database over here, and inside migration you will find at the last, so you can find that products table has been created successfully. So now the things we want to include in this for products are like I have already created that, so let's copy and paste it. Let's copy this and paste over here. Simple. So guys, if you please check with this, this is for the subcategory ID, name, URL, small description, image. So this is highlight heading. For example, over here, as we have stored with this in description, highlight heading is there, product description and product specification or details, right? So for this, let us go to our create file over here and check with this highlight. So this is the highlight heading. So let's copy this and make sure you're making it same, okay, for just for reference purpose. Description heading and product description, product details heading and product details, okay. So all will be nullable, and string long text, some things will be long text, and let's make this highlight also as long text. And then finally we will just sale tag is nothing but your brands, like new offer or whatever. Let's make this as integer, copy and make it integer and remove this. Remove it, save, and then as normal, arrivals, feature, products, everything is same, right? And meta tag, description, keyword and timestamp. So guys, this is the table now. Now let's migrate this table. Let's type php artisan make colon not make, let's migrate, php artisan migrate, and let's see. Okay, product table migrated. Let me close this and close the table. So guys, after creating, you can find your database. That product has been created now. As simple, let's go to FabCart. Over here product is there, it's loading. Cool. So the fields has been created, columns, still loading. Structure view, great. So we are having around 27 columns right now. So guys, now let's start with the backend coding for this. So first step, second step, now we are going to create a model. PHP artisan make colon model, in which area I'm going to create is inside app models directly, models forward slash products, hit enter. Model created successfully, products. So open this and call the table, right? So let's just copy this and paste. What is the table you have created right now? As you can see over here, products, or else you can find it over here also. Just copy that and paste products, and then change the things whatever you have done over here, right? So as per your things. So guys, let's copy this everything and mention. So let's open the database now and divide the page, and let's copy it in simple way. Small description, let's paste it, copy and paste the image, copy, paste. So just copy it and paste it, right? So let me paste it. So guys, now I have copied this totally and done with this. So now let's go to a controller and store the data. So let's close this also. And now first step, we'll create a route to store the data. Let me minimize this, and this is my form. Let's create a URL where store hyphen products, right? Let me copy this and let's go to web.php. Over there, call the route, route colon colon post, where I'm going to call this controller as above, same controller we are going to use, and the function name as store. Now let's click on this and let's go to the controller. Over here, public function store, right? So simple products is equal to new products controller, I mean model, not controller. So you are included. So let's import the product, the model, it's imported. So this is the model you have to import. And now let's call all the fields whatever you are going to insert from here, right? So let me divide this and show you how to import it. Okay, so first step, this is my product name. So let me call the first name is equal to $request, req request of input type. Okay, from that input, what you're going to call this name, copy this name and paste over here. So this is the name. This is means you have to call your model or database. So this is the name, copy this and paste here, very clear. So request you're using means you have to use the request at top, request, request $request, save, that's it. And same thing, this request is called over here, so not to worry about that. The same format you have to call for everything. So second is subcategory ID. So let's call that subcategory ID. See, subcategory ID, item things I didn't explain you, but we have looped that over here and then bringing that ID over here, right? And then getting that ID and storing here. That's it. So same way you have to call your subcategory ID column and paste over here. The same way guys you have to do for everything, and let's complete it. URL small description, and then product image. So product image is nothing but one file, so let's leave a space for it now, and let's continue with the other one, original price, and type everything. So let me finish that. So guys, now I have done with this. Okay, so creating the file also, I mean the codes for this. So just paste everything and set up. Okay, so as I said, image one we have to request for that, wait for it. So image also I have completed that. So as you can see over here, image product image, you have to copy this and file type name, this will be, copy this name and paste it. If it has file, then include, otherwise ignore with the null. So if it has add, then get the extension and save with the name with the time function with the extension, and go to the products folder inside uploads. Okay, so let's go to our product folder. So inside C examp htdocs, so this is our fabcart project is going on, right? So inside public folder, uploads folder, you have to make a new folder called products, hit enter, right? So inside uploads products, there you have to move and save the image. That's it, image tag done. And after this, finally you have to include with that by saying save function, save, save, that's it, and return and redirect back with status product SUCC is successfully added. That's it. So after saving, it will go redirect back to same page, and it will show you a message over here, that session thing, right? So for this message one, I have just one simple thing called alert. Search for that alert, let's scroll it down, and here guys it is. So this is the thing, closed. Okay, so let's copy this and paste inside this. Now just call this, remove, over here I'll just paste, finish, change this, hey, everything set. So it's now first thing, everything is working fine with this. Post method is going, and enc multi-part form data for the image purpose, that is also set. And after that we will save the data into the database. Okay, so guys, now let's test this first. Okay, let me check the status one. If the new arrival is true, then it should save 1, or else 0 it should be saving. So this new arrivals is nothing but your checkboxes. Just want to show that part also, right? So this is the checkbox where we are going to save that. Done. So guys, now let's add the product. Let me give Control R, and let's add one product, and let's see if the data is getting stored or not. So red mi note 7 pro, this belongs to mi brand, where we will get custom URL. We will give red mi note 7 pro, this will be the this thing, and this is a small description about note 7 mi mobile. Just mention that. If you want to add the phone, you can just add it off. add the phone, mobile, and original price, for example, we'll keep 13,000, and offer in sell we are selling 12,500. Quantity I have written 60, we can just tell, and priority let it leave this as 0 now. Later, if you want to save all this at once, you can save now, or else later also you can submit it, because this is not asking currently. We have accepted all the nullable things, right? Null, 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 null. So you cannot, you can around say later on. So I'll just check with this arrival as 1 to check, and let's make it to save. Let me click on save. Okay, page expired. Okay, because I didn't give a CSRF token. Simple, where it is. So this is a form. So when you are submitting a form, you have to submit your CSRF token, CSRF field. So it will generate a token over there. So let me copy this and reload the page, paste that, Redmi Note 7 Pro, and select the brand Redmi Red-Mi Note 7 Pro. Again, choose the image, let's choose this, and 16,000, 12,500, 60 and 0. Let me choose this status as 1, new arrival for things. Let me save, and let's see now what's showing. Let's check. Okay, column cannot found new arrival, right? Why? Let me check over here, new arrival. Okay, it's telling new arrival products, so I have made it to new arrivals. See here guys, so make sure you are also including the correct names for that. So it should say popular products, offer, and status. Everything is set. Let me browse this. Let's reload once again and see the data get inserted. Cool. Hey, product successfully added. Great. Let's go back, reload this, and now you can see that everything has been filled, right? So provide category ID 2, MI, URL is also created, image also is entered with that name, and then you can see that status. So we have inserted that price also over here. At CL tag did we insert over here? Okay, we don't have a CL tag itself, so please include that also over here. Okay, so I just messed with that. So let's go to our create file and add that CL tag. Simple. Copy and paste. Let's 9 and tell this sale tag, sale tag. Copy this and move to your where it is. Let's go to our database and check it. It's before original price, so let's go to price, and before that we will add it. Copy and paste. Sale tag, sale underscore tag. Okay, so make sure not doing any errors. Save it. That's it. So guys, successfully we have stored the data, and now in next video we'll be continuing about how to get that data into our this form. Okay, editing the form. So right now we will check with this arrivals, new arrivals. We selected that, right? 1, so it is showing 1. Great. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and in next video we are going to check that data into these things. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.